Hello guys, so today's video, it's a Tagalog full business plan of 7 spiders. So papaliwanag ko sa inyo kung paano ba tayo kikita sa project na to. Okay, welcome to 7 spiders. Ito po ay isang platform, 100% community-based program and fully automated, providing 100% transparency. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa project na to, whatever amount na ilalagay natin sa project na to, 100% dinidistribute sa lahat ng members. So napakaganda ng konsepto niya. It's like crowdfunding platform. Lahat ng transactions makikita mo sa dashboard mo. At ang maganda dito, unlike other platforms na medyo mahirap i-accomplish yung mga ranks. Pero this time, bukod sa nakasabay tayo sa pre-launch, kasi kaka-launch lang nito last September 7, and konti pa lang yung mga naka-join. So, we're very lucky kasi tayo as we represent Philippines ay nakasabay tayo. Okay? Alam natin yung advantage ng nakakasabay sa pre-launch. So, kung mapapansin nyo, si Gain Protocol, yung mga leaders na nakasabay sa pre-launch nung project na yon, in just 1 month, 2 months, kumikita na sila ng thousands of dollars. Grabe po, iba yung advantage kapag nauna ka sa isang project. Bukod sa maganda na yung compensation plan, dahil inaral ko yung compensation plan nito, sobrang lucrative talaga niya, sobrang daling i-accomplish, hindi tayo pahihirapan. This is also for long term. So, lahat tayo gusto nating kumita. Okay? So, kumbaga, naghahanap lang tayo ng right opportunity kung saan makakasabay tayo. Okay? So, good news, nandito si 7 Spiders. Kaka-launch pa lang. Wala pang masyadong leaders or mga members na nakakaalam nito. So, that's a huge advantage na natin, kaya i-grab natin yung opportunity na to. So ngayon ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung paano ba siya mag-work at paano tayo kikita dito. So this is 2x2 forced matrix. Okay? Ang maganda dito, meron siyang global auto pool program wherein lahat ng papasok sa system on a first come, first serve basis. Pag nakaposition ka na at inactivate mo yung account mo, sa'yo na yung slot na yon at lahat ng mga susunod na magre-register, possible na mapailalim na sa'yo. So, yun yung maganda dito. Hindi lahat kasi magaling mag-invite, pero this is our chance na hindi masasayang yung ilalagay natin dito. And besides, sobrang mura pa, sobrang affordable. Okay? So, there are 7 pool ranks. Ito yung mga upgradable packages. But don't worry guys, pwede kang mag-stick sa isa lang. So, this is like different accounts na it's up to you kung gusto mong bilhin lahat or kung gusto mo naman na isa lang or dalawa lang yung kuhanin mo. So, bawat isa dito, meron siyang kanya-kanyang ways to earn. Okay? We will all start from jumping package. So, how much is that? Just $10 guys. So, that's like 560 pesos. Makakapasok ka na dito at meron ka ng lifetime earning potential. Okay? So, merong non-working at merong working income. Of course, those who are willing to work will get a lot of earnings. But, sabi ko nga, hindi lahat ay may skills sa pag-invite. Pero, with this project, kahit hindi ka magaling mag-invite, pwede ka pa rin mag-earn sa one-time amount na pinang-join mo dito kay 7 Spiders. Alright? So, sa jumping package, only cost you $10. And then, after that, meron kang option to upgrade your account to buy this Golden Silk account. Kasi nakalock lahat ng mga following packages na to. Hanggat di mo ina-activate yung isa, okay, yung mas mababa, hindi lalabas si Golden Silk. So, once na-activated ka na dito, the next package na pwede mong bilhin is si Golden Silk, which is $30. At once na na-activate mo na to, may option ka na ulit para mabili mo si Wolf package. Unlike other projects, dito, once na nag-activate ka ng isang package, then it's up to you kung gusto mong mag-stay dyan. Well, of course, we all know, the higher the package na binili mo, mas mataas yung earning potential. So, kung kontento ka na sa jumping package, that's okay. Pwede ka mag-stay dyan. Mag-earn ka pa rin. Alright? So, different pool ranks has different pool income. So, gaya ng nabanggit ko, bawat packages na to, may kanya-kanyang earnings. Okay? So, kung tatlo binili mo, yung Jumping, Golden Silk, at Wolfpack, iba yung earnings mo dito, iba earnings mo dito, at iba yung earnings mo dito. Okay? So, yung mga may capacity na makapag-buy hanggang 7 package, sila yung mas maraming ma-generate. Okay? So, ganito yung structure niya. For example, ito kasi letter A. So, the next people na papasok sa company, magfo-fall under siya from left to right, top to bottom. Okay? So, si system yung mag-fill up ng matrix mo. So, lucky yung mga tao na magjo-join sa team na active kasi may chance sila na ulanin ng mga spillover. So, ito yung level 1, level 2, level 3, and so on. Okay? This is 2x2 force matrix. So, paano mag-start? With just $10 or 560 pesos, ma-activate ka na. One-time activation, lifetime earning potential. Lifetime membership mo na yun. So, we don't have any subscription. Isang beses ka lang mag-activate ng account. It's up to you na lang kung gusto mong mag-buy pa ng another higher packages. Okay? So, this is your step-by-step process. Free lang yung pag-register, kaya pwede mong pa-registerin yung prospect mo and then decide later. Okay? So, step 1, magsa-sign up siya. Step 2, i-activate yung account. Alright? So, once they signed up, makikita na nila yung dashboard. So, ma-explore nila yung dashboard natin. Very simple, pero very powerful. And then, they will decide kung gusto nilang mag-activate. For just $10, activated na siya. Okay? And then there are people na kung gusto mo talagang maximize yung earning potential, then try to refer people. End of the day, sobrang mura lang, napakagaan sa bulsa, at one time lang, pwede na silang mag-earn sa Global Auto Pool. Alright? So, number 4 step is, that's the time to earn unlimited US dollars. Okay? So, for those who are willing to work, good news, mag-aani tayo ng maraming dollars dito. Alright? So, refer and earn. Any project needs people, diba? Needs community. So, by referring people, pwede na tayong mag-earn sa project na to. Okay? So, parang ano lang yan, kwento-kwento lang yan, or the power of posting. Ang maganda dito, marami tayong mga marketing tools na magagamit para ipang-market natin. So, gawin natin yung Facebook natin na income generating platform. Okay? So, sa pag-share pa lang natin ito, marami nang pwedeng mag-join sa'yo. So, maraming mga social media platforms like YouTube, your Facebook account, your Telegram, Messenger, na pwede mong magamit para ma-market yung 7 spiders. So, napakalaki ng earning potential nito, guys. Ito yung mga types of income niya. Okay? So, there are 6 types of income. First, direct referral income. Second, teamwork level income. Ayan, hindi ka lang mag-earn sa mga direct referrals mo, kundi sa buong team. Okay? So, this is about teamwork. Then, global non-working auto pool income. Ito yung sinasabi ko na kahit hindi ka nagtatrabaho, kahit hindi ka nag-invite, basta pumwesto ka lang, first come, first serve basis, secure mo yung slot mo, entitled ka na to earn from global auto pool income. Okay? So, ito, number 4, the global royalty income. Malupit to, guys, kasi 10% ng total turnover ng whole company is share sa mga members na tumatrabaho. So, we need to accomplish royalty rank, which is napaka-achievable talaga. So, sa mga builders, mabilis nyo itong ma-accomplish. And good news, 10% of total turnover ng company, monthly po yan marireceive natin. So, napakaganda opportunity nun. Okay? And then number 5, the travel fund income. Ito yung parang mas higher sa royalty ranks, wherein 5% of the total turnover of the company ay i-share din sa mga nag-qualify dito. And then, ito, I'm very excited about this one. Coming soon po ito, guys, booster income. Ito po, another way para sa mga taong walang skill sa pag-invite. This is another way for you, for us, to generate money. At napaka-smart nung 7 Spiders creator kasi nilagyan niya ng ganitong special features wherein talagang mabibuild yung system, mabibuild yung matrix ng company. Why? Because of this booster income. So, I will make a separate video about this booster income. Why am I very excited about this? At kahit kayo ma-excite dito. Okay? So, ito yung income jumping pool rank for $10 and golden silk rank which is $30. So, ito yung ways to earn natin. Direct referral, 50%. Dito pa lang guys, sobrang ganda na, diba? Kasi 50% ma-earn natin for every people na ma-invite natin. So, hindi lang sa $10, syempre, pag nag-decide yung direct referral mo na bilhin yung golden silk rank for $30, another 50% earnings yon. Okay? Now, sa team level income, of course, dahil ang ganda ng compensation plan, lalago at lalago yung matrix mo or yung team mo. So, meron ka pa ring 20% na ma-earn from those team. Okay? And then, 25% for global auto pool income. Okay? Ito yung non-working income. And then, global royalty income, 5%. Okay? So, ito yung chart niya. So, kung i-add mo lahat yan, 50 plus 20 plus 25 is 45 plus 5%, total of 100% are being distributed sa community. Okay? So, 100% ng ating amounts na nilabas natin dito, dinidistribute lang din sa bawat member sa community. Dito, very fair, tayo mismo yung parang, kumbaga, may authority sa project na to, di ba? Alright? Now, unlimited direct referrals. So, kahit gaano karaming direct referrals yung ipasok mo dito, i-refer mo, you will earn unlimited 50% from $10 pack and from $30 package. For example, 5 yung na-invite mo, okay? So, direct referral nun is $5 kasi $10 lang naman ang registration or activation. So, 5 times $5, you will earn $25 direct referral. Okay? So, the more people you invite, mas maraming earning potential. Okay? And of course, darating yung time, yung mga na-invite mo na yan, lalo pag nakita nila yung ganda ng opportunity, they will upgrade to the next package, which is the $30. And good news, another 50% ang ma-earn mo doon. So, for those 5 people, same people lang to guys. Okay? Ito yung additional na ma-earn mo pag nag-upgrade na sila. Okay, so for 5 people, you will earn $75. For like 1,000 people, you will earn 15,000 USDT. Okay, so napakalaki din ng earning potential niya, pero hindi ganun kahirap i-accomplish. Alright, let's move on. So, teamwork level income. This is the structure of levels. Alright, so this is you. Okay, the first generation or the level 1, this is your direct referrals. Alright? And then, for example, isa sa mga na-invite mo ay leader pala. Okay? So, naglagay siya ng maraming tao. So, that will be your level 2. And then, on your level 2, meron ding mga lalabas dyan ng mga leaders. So, sila yung maglalagay ng mga tao. That's your level 3. So, guys, dito, lalo pag maganda ang system, maganda ang compensation plan, darating yung time, hindi mo na mapipigilan yung pagbulusok ng tao, pagpasok ng tao sa matrix mo, and that's what we call passive income. Okay? So, ito yung team level income, 20% in 10 level, in $10 pool, and $30 pool. So, we all know, ito yung dalawang packages, yung the first 2 packages na pwede nating i-activate. So, of course, mag-start tayo sa $10 pool. Alright, so on your level 1, okay, for example, since this is 2x2 matrix up to 10th level, so naduduplicate lang kasi yung mga tao na yan. So dito mapapansin mo, ito lang yung structure niyan, di ba? So the more people na invite nyo, mas malaki. Kasi itong computation, 2 lang. So 2 tao lang yung kinompute dito sa next slide. But if there are 5 people or direct referrals, mas malaki yung earning potential mo. So, dun muna tayo sa maliit lang, yung 2 lang. Okay? So, kung 2 lang, ayan, naduduplicate lang siya. The next level mo, 4 na sila. Third level mo, 8. Fourth level, 16. hanggang 10th level mo is ito yung total numbers of people, which is very, very achievable, guys. Napakasimple lang nito. Lalo na ang ganda ng compensation plan, mabilis tong mapupuno. Okay, so this is your earning percentage, 3% on your first level. So, sa $10 pool, yung mga nag-activate ng $10, ito yung earnings mo sa level 1. Okay, sa level 2, alright, 2%, ito yung earnings. Level 3, 2%, $1.6, and so on. So, pagdating ng level 5, di ba, 3, 2, 1, 1. Pagdating ng level 6, tataas ulit siya, 2%, 2%, 2%. Pagdating ng level 10, 3%. Kaya naman, ito yung magiging earning potential mo sa $10 package lang. Okay? So, maganda yung earnings niya kasi mas malaking hamak to kaysa dun sa Gain Protocol, 0.5% lang. Okay? Sa iba, 0.25% lang. Yun yung mga most common percentage na binibigay sa atin ng other companies. So, very generous si 7 Spiders kasi ito yung percentage niya. Okay? Hindi ko report, di ba? So, sa $30 pool, mas malaki syempre. Ayan, $1.8 na agad sa level 1 mo pa lang, which is, alam natin na 2 people lang yon. Sa level 2, na-duplicate na siya. So, eto na siya. Hanggang sa level 10 lang, guys. So, this is your earning potential sa team income natin. Okay? Sa team. Alright? Now, eto yung sa mga non-working. Yung mga hindi nag-i-invite. So, dito, guys, separate to. Kung ikaw ay nagbi-build, may ganito ka ng earning potential up to your level 10. And plus, syempre, sa Global Auto Pool, meron ka rin yan. Okay? So, ang advantage natin na mga nag-workout, doble yung sa atin. Meron tayo dito, meron tayo dito. Pero yung mga hindi tumatrabaho, dito lang sila mag-earn. Okay? So, same scenario lang siya. Ayan. And this is your earning potential. Okay? So, the percentage is different. Take a look at this. Dito sa team level, ito siya yung distribution. Okay? Dito naman is 2.5% fixed. Alright? Kaya, ito yung earning potential sa non-working up to level 10. Pag sa $10 package, 511.50. Mas mabilis itong ma-filled up, guys, kasi this is global. Okay? Ito, sarili mong team ito. So, ito yung mga taong ni-refer mo, binild mo, tapos nalagyan ng spillover yung mga nasa baba. Ito naman, this is Global Auto Pool. Lahat ng pumapasok sa company. Okay? So, mas mabilis ma-fill up to. And this is our earning potential. From $10, 511. Sa $30 pool is 1534.50 US dollars. Okay? Ito naman, guys, syempre meron pa tayong next package which is $50 and above pool rank. So, this is different story, guys. Ito na yung Wolf package. Ayan, pag nag-upgrade tayo dito, mas lalaki pa yung earning potential natin. So, dito naman, every team upgrades, 20%. Alright? Hindi na siya yung 50%. Yung 50% is from $10 and $30 package. So, kung i-compare natin to kay Gain Protocol, kay Gain, yung direct referral is 20%. Right? Which is mas malaki dito kay 7 Spiders kasi 50%. Sa team upgrade bonus, kay Gain Protocol, only 5%. Dito po kay 7 Spiders, 20%. So, this is one advantage na nakita ko kay 7 Spiders. Okay? Tapos, teamwork level income, 35%. Alright? So, ang lalaki ng percentage niya. Sa Global Auto Pool income, 30%. Okay? Royalty income, 10%. Kasi naman, guys, medyo konti lang yung naghahati-hati dito. Sa Global Auto Pool, syempre, lahat ng mga members yan. Yung teamwork, ito lang yung galing sa upline nyo. Okay? Sa akin, or kung sino man yung mga nag-sponsor sa inyo. And then, yung travel fund income, mas malupit to, guys, kasi konti lang yung maghahati-hati dyan. But then again, it's still 5% for the total turnover of the company. So, pag kinumpute mo lahat yan, another 100% distribution. Okay, so Team Direct Upgrade income. For example, yung jumping package, which is the $10, we all know, commission natin, direct referral is $5. Right? Pag nag-upgrade sila sa Golden Silk, mag-earn tayo ng $15. Okay? Now, pag nag-upgrade si direct referral into Wolfpack, which is $50, 20% na lang yung makukuha natin. So, it's a $10 pa rin yung ma-earn natin. Okay? Unlike sa other project, which is just 5%. So, medyo maliit. And then, Goliath package, which is $100. So, mag-earn tayo ng 20%. Ayan, $20. Alright, sa next package, Brown Recluse, which is $250 upgrade. So, mag-earn tayo ng $50. Redback, 20%, $100. At sa pinaka-highest package, which is $1,000, we will earn $200. Okay? So, 50% on your first and second, and then 20% on the following packages hanggang 7th. Alright? So, this is how we earn from our direct referrals upgrade. So, this is teamwork level income in 50 and above pool rank. So, i-target natin na makapag-upgrade into $50 pack. This is Wolf pack. Ayan. So, pag na-upgrade ka na dito, hindi ka na limit to up to level 10. So, in-explain ko sa inyo kanina, kapag jumping package ka lang, yung $10 at saka yung Golden Silk, hanggang 10th level lang. Alright? So, yun lang yung earning potential mo sa bawat tao na papasok sa ilalim mo. Okay? But, kung ikaw ay naka-upgrade sa $50 package, one time, lifetime na yan, aabutin mo yung 20th level. So, di ba hindi mahirap? Kasi, sa Gain Protocol, you need 10 direct referrals para ma-open up itong hanggang 20th level. Dito, mag-upgrade ka lang sa $50 package or the Wolf Pack, and then ito na yung earning potential mo. So, yung percentage niya, ganito po, hindi siya fixed. Alright? On your first level, 3%, or second level, 3%, 2, 1, hanggang sa 11th, kumbaga parang nag-start ka ulit, so 0.50% lang siya. Okay? And this is huge, guys. Why? Kasi ito na yung numbers of people. Diba? So, multiply mo dyan yon. Ito yung earning potential mo sa $50 pool. Alright? So, on your level 12, ayan, 4096 na total people. Ito yung earning potential sa $50 pool, $100 pool, $250 pool, $500 pool, and sa $1,000 pool. So, ito yung mga percentage niya, guys. Ayan. And then, pagdating ng level 17, 2% na siya ulit, guys. And then, 18, 2%, 19, 2%, and then, 20th level, 3%. So, the system made this, guys, para ma-sustain yung distribution ng earnings. Alright? So, very smart calculations. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-compute. The system has built-in AI to do that for us. So, guys, hindi mahirap i-accomplish to. Alam natin sa Gain Protocol, grabe, 10,000 USDT yung kailangan na pang-upgrade. So, medyo nakakalula, 'di ba? Dito, guys, very achievable and very possible. Kasi, ito, anyone can afford this as long as alam mo yung magiging kapalit. 'Di ba? So, ito yung earning potential. Hindi rin biro yung amounts. 'Di ba? So, this is how I'm very excited about this project. Napaka-powerful ng compensation plan niya at achievable talaga siya. Okay? Next, Global Auto Pool Income. Ito yung sa non-working, guys. As long as you upgrade your account into a $50 packs. Ayan. Ito yung earning potential mo. Sobrang laki din, guys. Kasi darating yung time, yung mga tao na nagjo-join dito, alright? Hindi lang members ng upline mo, hindi lang members na na-recruit mo, kundi lahat ng papasok dito, mag-upgrade yan. Bakit? Kasi alam nila na merong greater chance to earn yung mga naka-higher packages. 'Di ba? So, very affordable and achievable. So, yan ang potential income ng naka $50 pack. So, pwede kang mag-earn ng $3,069. And then, pag nag-upgrade ka into the $100 pool, so, ito na yon, 6,138 ang earning potential. Alright? Then, on a on a $250 pool, which is very possible. Ayan guys, 15,345, palaki na siya ng palaki. Sa $500 pool, 30,690, alright? And then sa $1,000 pool, it's 61,380 US dollars, which is really a big help sa family mo, sa pangarap mo, achievable na siya. So, yan yung advantage nito guys. Yan. And then, ito yung super excited ako guys. I know lahat kayang i-accomplish to as long as you're willing to do the work. Okay? Ang mga tao kasi kanya-kanya ng reason yan. Pare-pareho naman tayo ng mga sources. Meron tayong social media. So, iba-iba lang tayo ng deepest why natin. Okay? So, kung ikaw ay dedicated sa ginagawa mo, lahat gagawin mo para ma-accomplish mo to. So, meron ka lang target goal. Okay? So, paano yon? This is the 10% of monthly turnover ng company na ma-earn natin every first of the month. So, one time mo lang to i-accomplish and ito yung salary mo monthly. 'Di ba? At saka 10%, hindi biro yan guys, ng total turnover ng company. Magkano lang? $90 total. Okay? Kasi nag-activate ka sa jumping and then activated on Golden Silk and then activate on Wolfpack. So, once you've done that, okay, kailangan mo lang ng 4 na legs. Okay? Kailangan mo lang ng 4 na leaders na tutulungan mo din na makahanap ng tig-4 nila. Okay? And of course, dapat naka-Wolfpack din silang lahat. So, once na-accomplish mo yan guys, qualified ka na, isa ka na sa makikihati ng 10% total turnover ng company. Okay? So, this is huge guys. Very achievable to. Sobrang dali lang i-accomplish as long as you're dedicated and excited about your project. Syempre, kailangan mong i-share yung business, i-share mo sa mga kilala mo sa wall mo, 'di ba? Hindi ka naman mamimilit ng tao dito. Ipakita mo lang yung compensation plan. May video sa YouTube, i-share mo sa kanila and then syempre bigay mo yung referral link mo pag nag-join. Kikita ka na sa direct referral at the same time ma-accomplish mo to, which is very simple lang guys. This is like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 plus you, 21 accounts, alright, na naka-Wolfpack. So, accomplish mo na to. Meron ka ng monthly passive income. Okay? So, hindi lang yun. Syempre, pag na-accomplish mo yan, may level ka na. May mga tao ka na per level. So, yung kinompute natin na 2x2 matrix, eto lang yun. 4 yung i-workout mo. So, na-doble pa. Okay? So, mas malaki yung earnings na ma-generate mo dito. Alright? So, eto naman yung travel fund income. This is the number 5 ways to earn kay 7 Spiders. 5% monthly turnover will be distributed among all travel fund achievers on first day of every month. Okay? So, this is the structure. This is you. This is your 4 leg. Okay? Pero guys, yung 4 leg na to dapat ay naka-royalty achiever sila. Ibig sabihin, yung 4 na to dapat may ganito silang structure. Right? So, that's your travel fund requirements. So, darating yung time, hindi naman minamadali. Okay? Yun yung next target natin. So, ang maganda dito, meron ka laging tina-target na goal at merong kapalit na reward yung magiging effort mo dito. So, yung isa is yung booster income. Yun yung sabi ko na coming soon. So, maybe this coming October, first week, ilalabas na siya. So, nakaka-excite din yun, guys. I will do a separate video for that. So, now let's go on to the special features of 7 Spiders. So, with just a minimal amount of $10, makakapasok ka na sa project na to. Okay? Then, 100% wallet use. This is the one of the big advantage of this kasi pwede kang mag P2P. Yan, zero deduction. So, 100% wallet use. It means working lahat doon, pwede kang mag-transfer sa members. Pwede mong i-activate ang other members using their ID number. And also, pwede kang mag-deposit ng funds sa account mo and then gamitin mo yun pang-activate ng mga magiging downlines mo. 'Diba? So, that way, makakatipid tayo sa mga fees. Alright? And then, daily withdrawal facility. Kung ayaw mong mag P2P, pwede mong i-withdraw yung earnings mo. Withdrawal is instant. And then, ito pa, your ID will be active forever. Minsan ka lang mag-register or mag-activate. Then, forever, meron ka ng account na mag-generate sa'yo ng money. Okay? And there's no dictatorship in 7 Spiders system. Alright? You have a full freedom in our company. Enjoy your life with spiders.io. So, ito yung minimum withdrawals, guys. This is the terms and conditions. So, $20 minimum withdrawal kung gusto mong mag-withdraw. Okay? But then, we can use the P2P features para makaiwas tayo sa 10% admin fee. And deposit only USDT. Okay? Wag na nating isama ang BUSD. So, USDT na lang. Via BAP20. Napakamura lang po ng fees nito. 29 centavos lang. Alright? USDT withdrawal deduction 10% as admin fee. So, ito yung napupunta sa company. Alright? Instant withdrawal in USDT 24/7. P2P Spiders wallet only. To direct referral are compulsory in same pool for auto pool income. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, na pwede nyong magamit sa booster yung magiging income nyo sa 2 direct referrals. So, once you do that, since this is compulsory, guys, okay, kaya nga I advise you, mag-direct ka na lang ng family member mo. End of the day, magkano lang yun? It will only cost you $20 at 3 na yung magiging accounts mo. 'Di ba? Tapos, meron ka ng $10 na nakaabang para sa booster income. Okay? So, clear yun. And the number 6, 1 direct referral will open 2-level income. Okay? So, ito naman yung para dun sa level income natin. End of the day, you will still earn from this project. So, that's all, guys. Very simple and powerful compensation plan of 7 Spiders. Don't delay your success. Start to grab this opportunity para makaposition ka. Secure spot now. You can register for free but wag niyong patagalin. I-activate niyo na agad kasi ang daming pumapasok. Sa team ko pa lang, guys, in just few days, in just 5 days, almost 100 registrations na. So, it means ang daming pumapasok at na-excite about this project. So, abang lang po kayo sa YouTube channel ko so that you won't miss any updates about this project. And for the English presentation, I will include the link in the description. Okay, don't forget to watch. And of course, please subscribe to my channels and follow my Facebook page. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you all and happy earnings, everyone. This is Baby Snow. Bye-bye.